In 2019, a healthcare CFO reported his legacy on-premises Excel-based data warehouse reporting application had crashed. He was panicking, with over 200 healthcare providers expecting financial results the next day, as well as a board meeting in a couple of days, and we knew of only 2 consultants capable of troubleshooting the issue, and one was on vacation. The other, an original developer of the data warehouse and certainly capable of solving any problem, sent us this email. This is the face of software technological obsolescence. I'm Brian Terrell, Managing Partner of BTerrell Group. We've been automating back offices using Sage Intacct out of a North Texas office longer than anyone. BTerrell SmartSuite, a portfolio of software services and deliverables, including Sage Intacct, the one and only accounting app ever named by the AI CPA as the preferred provider of financial applications, replaces functionally, technologically, and logistically obsolete accounting applications like QuickBooks Desktop or mid-market applications developed in the 1990s or early 2000s. To learn more, watch video 5 here and click to subscribe so that you can keep up with the rest of the story. Our healthcare CFO decided this was the straw breaking the camel's back. We implemented Sage Intacct, a born-in-the-cloud accounting application, defeating the threat of software obsolescence by utilizing state-of-the-art cloud-based application technology, relying on the internet for data and program access through every major browser and mobile device, with full support of an ever-increasing number of business partners and CPA firms. Join me next week to see how our talented accounting software professionals, made available on an unlimited basis to every BTerrell SmartSuite member, implemented Sage Intacct's dynamic allocations module to automatically reallocate healthcare provider financial performance based on variable financial and non-financial data contained entirely within the Sage Intacct platform, and completely replacing the data analysis functionality of the technologically obsolete Excel-based data warehouse. Until then, insist on membership in BTerrell SmartSuite.